Evening, everyone. My name is Nandana. I am studying in LKGP section. Now I am learning nation capital of India. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Issam, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Goa, Balaji, Gujarat, Karnataka, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla.